Okay, how are you? Informal, not formal, kumusta ka? Yan, easy. How are you? Kumusta po kayo? Kumusta po kayo? Kumusta kayo? Okay, that's good. How are they? Kumusta sila? Yan. Good noon. Magandang hapon. Tanghali. Or good afternoon. Magandang hapon. Magandang hapon. Magandang gabi. What is your name? Anong pangalan mo? Easy. What is your name? Ano po ang pangalan mo? Anong pangalan ninyo? Or what is their name? Anong pangalan siya? Anong pangalan sila? Hard. It is nice to meet you. Kinagagalak kayong makilala. Kinagagalak ko kayong makilala. Kinagagalak kitang makilala. Or, it is nice to meet you. Kinagagalak ko kayong makilala. Kinagagalak ko kayong makilala. Easy. It is nice to meet them. Ikinagagalak ko sila makilala. So close. Kinagagalak ko silang makilala. Hard. Goodbye, paalam. Sige. That is okay. Goodbye, paalam. Let's see each other again. Pagkita ulit tayo sa San Pablo. Don't know. It is nice to meet you. Kinagagalak kitang makilala. Yes. Good. Good noon. Magandang tanghali. Easy. What is their name? Anong pangalan sila? Anong pangalan nila? Or what is your name? Anong pangalan ninyo? But that is a plural. Anyways, good. It is nice to meet them. Kinagagalak ko kailang makilala. Kinagagalak ko silang makilala. Yan, good. What is their name? Anong pangalan sila? Ninyo? Anong pangalan nila? Or, how are you? Kumusta kayo? Easy. What is their name? Anong pangalan nila? Yan, good. Bye-bye. Sige. Easy. What is your name? Anong pangalan ninyo? Yan, yes, easy. Let's see each other again. Mauna na kayo. Mauna na ako. Let's see each other again. Magkita ulit tayo. It's nice to meet them. Kinagagalak sila. Kinagagalak ko silang makilala. Okay, that's still good. Let's see each other again. What is it? Mabulit. Magkita ulit tayo. Magkita ulit tayo. Magkita ulit tayo. Magkita ulit tayo. Sige. Magkita ulit tayo sa babay dagat. It is nice to meet you. Kinagagalak kitang makilala. Kinagagalak kitang makilala. Good. Okay, so there's still problems. I have to improve on that one. Yan.